Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech reviews and insights. HideIPVPN Review, a deep dive into usage and experience. Links to HideIPVPN are in the description below if you're ready to explore it firsthand. Let's jump right in. HideIPVPN presents a virtual private network solution crafted for those who value privacy, speed, and adaptability above all else. It's a perfect fit for individuals seeking to access geo-restricted streaming content, browse anonymously, or simply bolster their online security. A truly standout feature is HideIPVPN's smart DNS service. This allows for uninterrupted streaming on platforms such as Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer without sacrificing speed. Unlike conventional VPNs, smart DNS facilitates faster connections by selectively bypassing encryption for streaming traffic, making it an excellent choice for entertainment enthusiasts. HideIPVPN provides dedicated apps for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, as well as comprehensive manual setup guides for routers and other devices. This caters to both novice users and tech-savvy individuals. Utilizing AES 250 encryption and supporting protocols like OpenVPN, WireGuard, and IPv2, HideIPVPN ensures robust protection against online threats. Furthermore, it boasts a verified no-logs policy, guaranteeing your data privacy. Speed tests reveal consistently impressive performance, essential for demanding activities like online gaming, torrenting, or high-definition streaming. Another key strength is HideIPVPN's server network, covering key regions in the US, UK, Europe, and Asia. This wide reach provides excellent global coverage for bypassing geographical restrictions. The application interface is clean and user-friendly, featuring quick connect options and manual server selection for greater control. HideIPVPN offers competitive pricing with flexible subscription plans, and you can test the service risk-free with their 30-day money-back guarantee. In practical use, HideIPVPN excels for users seeking a harmonious balance of performance and security. It's an ideal choice for streamers, remote workers, or anyone requiring dependable internet privacy. While its server count may not rival some larger competitors, its specialized features, such as smart DNS and dedicated IPs, position HideIPVPN as a compelling option. That concludes our review. If HideIPVPN sounds like the right fit for you, click the links below to get started. Thank you for watching, and we encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section.